Continuing coverage on the sudden spike in sewer bills impacting only certain homeowners in the town of Rotterdam.
Town leaders have told News 10 that they can't change the tax that's already been levied. News 10 ABC's Michaela Singleton speaking with a legal expert tonight to hear what, if anything, can be done.
Those people stuck it to us and stuck it to you. And you, as the new board, should stand by the people of Rotterdam and do what's right.
Rotterdam's town board is doing their best to calm angry residents with overinflated sewer tax bills. Unfortunately, Wednesday night's meeting came with no answers yet.
We don't like it. We know you don't like it. And I'm not going to stay up there and say that we can just wave a magic wand and you will no longer have this debt service, because no one's convinced us at this point in time that we can change the situation that we're in.
The town supervisor and deputy supervisor said in an interview with me, Schenectady County tax authorities told them it's impossible to change a tax once it's been levied. Real estate tax legal expert Erica Brown says it may be less a function of impossible, more that it's extremely difficult.
So the problem with the tax levy right now, I think, is that it's been approved, and what they've done is the budget's been allocated amongst the members of the town. I don't know how you would fix it in a way that would make it fair and equitable at this point.
She says you may get some of your taxes back later down the road, but you'd have to pay them first to avoid late penalties, something the town board also advises.
If you've overpaid any taxes, you indeed will receive a credit. But please don't put you in a situation where by not paying your taxes, the situation gets worse.
However, Brown adds when you pay your taxes, you can still object to the charges and prepare a legal case.
You would usually write it right on your tax, paid under protest, because if something was corrected, you can say, I objected to the tax.
She says residents can file what's called an Article 78 proceeding, challenging an authority's decision.
It's challenging the constitutionality of it. Was it fair? Is it fair and equitable? You know, is everyone contributing the correct amount?
And she says residents have time to make a claim specifically because the town admits it gave no notice. All taxpayers usually get 4 months to appeal any changes their municipality makes. She also adds it might make the most sense to have power in numbers.
You can join together, and that's typically how someone would handle something like this, where you would have multiple plaintiffs and it would be members of the sewer extension, and you can bring one action.
Reporting in Rotterdam, Michaela Singleton, News 10 ABC.